It's true, 4 out of 5 polar bears prefer Frost Buddy. Here's the number one problem. You've got 10 different koozies and they're probably in 10 different places in your house. The fix is one can koozie that fits about everything you got. When I was researching the Frost Buddy, the main thing that everyone was talking about is how cold it keeps your drinks. Seriously, people would say that they leave a drink out overnight and it is still cold in the morning, and I thought that was just kind of wild. What's so cool is that it basically fits every can or bottle that you have. So you don't need a bunch of holders, just one, the Frost Buddy. So here's the catch. It's not going to fit every single bottle or can. Some of the bigger soda bottles, it's just not going to squeeze in there. Have you seen the different sizes in convenience stores? However, it does fit every type of can and bottle that we use in my family. Is it worth it? Well, heck yeah, for the money. It's going to keep your drinks cold, and it's going to fit basically every can you have. I think the Frost Buddy's a steal, and I definitely consider it a buy.